Learners, welcome you all in my English class. But before that, I'd like to thank Mr. Hassan Hafizur Rahman, lecturer and head of the Department of English, Cambrian School and College, Campus 5, Baridhara, Dhaka. As I'm taking the class depending on his content, that is why I like to give him special thanks. So, thanks, Mr. MD Hassan Hafizur Rahman. Okay, there's a picture. You can see a picture here. Try to guess what is the picture about. Do you know anything about this picture? No? Try to imagine. Please. Yeah. Okay, the woodcutter was awarded with all these three X's for his honesty. The woodcutter was awarded with all the three X's for his honesty. X's. So follow, please. What can you see here? You can see some X's. Okay. So what is X's? A material used for cutting anything. That is called a material used for cutting wood or anything. It is called X's. A visible name of an object. Am I right? A visible name of an object. Hmm. Now follow, please. Honesty. Is it seen or unseen? Unseen. Okay, fine. Name of a quality, honesty, and invisible name of a quality. Okay, so we have got two words, visible and invisible, visible and invisible. Okay, so can you guess what are we going to discuss today? Hello, dear learners, can you guess what are we going to discuss today? Yes, yes, noun. Okay, thanks a lot. Noun. We are going to discuss about nouns. And what would be the learning outcomes? Yeah, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to explain noun and its classifications. Number two, we will be able to define the definition of nouns, and we will be able to identify nouns. These are the learning outcomes. Explain nouns and its classifications, define the definition of nouns, and identify nouns. Okay, you can see some pictures here. So try to guess. You can see some pictures here. Can you see what are they? Okay, first one is honesty, and second one it is horse riding. Okay, rider, and third one it's gold, and look at the last one, determination. Okay, so what kind of words have you observed here? Yes, naming words. Naming words. So what is the definition of noun? Can you guess? Yeah. A noun is the name of anything, or naming of anything is noun. A noun is the name of anything, or naming of anything is noun. That's the definition of noun. Okay. So again, look at the pictures. Look at the first picture. Yes. Who is she? Sumaya. Sumaya is a girl. Okay. And in the second picture, kindness is a noble virtue. There are two sentences here. First one is about Sumaya. Sumaya is the name of a girl. Sumaya is a girl. Okay, how many nouns can you see here? Sumaya, girl. There are two nouns here. And in the second sentence, how many nouns you can see in this sentence? Kindness and virtue. So, Sumaya and girl, these are the two nouns in the first sentence. Okay, and in the second sentence, kindness is a noun and Barsu, it's another noun. So look at these two words, Sumaya, girl. This is visible. Okay, so this is called concrete noun. The noun that is visible is concrete noun. And kindness, is it visible? No, it's invisible. Okay, and what about Barsu? Barsu, it's also invisible. Okay, so this is called abstract noun. So we are going to find out the classifications of noun. Okay, so what are the classifications of noun? Yes, nouns are mainly classified into two kinds. Okay, that means there are two class of nouns. Noun is classified into two kinds. Nouns are mainly classified into two kinds. What are those things? One is concrete noun and the other is abstract noun. One is concrete noun. So concrete noun, what is concrete noun? The noun that is seen or that can be caught or that can be touched, they are called concrete noun. And abstract noun, yeah, abstract noun, the thing that you can't see, you can't touch, you can't catch hold, that is called abstract noun. Okay, there are two kinds of noun. Noun is mainly of two kinds. One is concrete noun and the other is abstract noun. Okay, look at the pictures here. There are some pictures here. Make sentences with the pictures. Okay, the ball looks green. It's a sentence. And tea refreshes our mind. We like jackfruit very much. Okay, so look at the word ball. The ball looks green, ball. Okay, and in second sentence, tea refreshes our mind. Tea, that's another noun. And we like jackfruit very much. So there are three nouns in three sentences: ball, tea, and jackfruit. Okay, ball, tea, and jackfruit are concrete noun, as because we can see it, we can catch it, or we can toss it. Am I right? Yes, we can see a ball, we can toss a ball, we can catch a ball. Okay, tea, it is also visible, we can taste it. Okay, jackfruit, also we can toss it or we can catch hold of it, we can see it. So these are all, what kind of nouns are these? Yeah, these are all concrete noun. Now explain the picture phrase. Okay, there are two pictures here. Look at it. What can you see here in the first picture? We can see the expression love in the first picture. Have you noticed it? Love. And in the second picture, it's the expression of kindness. So there are two words here, love and kindness. An abstract noun. These two were abstract noun. An abstract noun is a type of noun that has no physical existence. Is it clear to you? An abstract noun is a type of noun that has no physical existence. Okay? An abstract noun is a type of noun that has no physical existence. So, is there any existence for love or kindness? Physical existence? No? Okay, so these are all abstract noun. Okay, now identify concrete and abstract noun below. Okay, I will give you some pictures. You have to identify which one a concrete noun and which one a abstract noun. You have to identify. So please, dear learners, please be attentive and try to identify which ones are concrete nouns and which one are abstract noun. Okay, look at the pictures, please. Look at the pictures and think about the pictures and try to guess which one are concrete nouns and which one are abstract noun below. So, look at it. What about the first one? Is it concrete or abstract noun? What do you think? Look at the first one, concrete noun. Yeah, it's a picture of a man, okay? And that means he will be someone. Okay, and the next picture, that is wisdom. Wisdom, it's an abstract noun. Okay, fine. And what about the last one, third one? Skills, knowledge, and abilities. Skills, knowledge, and abilities. This is also an abstract noun. Okay, and it's a bird, so it's the concrete noun. Okay, and it's a rose, it's the name of a flower, it's concrete noun. Honesty, sincerity, and integrity, this is abstract noun. And okay, what about this picture? Yeah, it's a concrete noun. And freedom, it's an abstract noun. Okay, fine. Freedom. Generally, abstract nouns are formed with some suffixes. You know suffixes? Yes. So, if we want to form any noun, uh, you can add some suffixes. Generally, abstract nouns are formed with some suffixes like this. Okay. Look at it. Nes, N-E-double-S, then T-I-O-N, and then hood, sheep, S-H-I-P, and then ment, M-E-N-T, and then C-E, next T-A's, and last one is T-Y. Okay, look at the words, please. Okay, kindness and preparation, okay, boyhood, and scholarship, excitement, importance, depth, ability, ability. Okay, have you noticed all are abstract noun? And how the abstract noun is formed here? Yeah, first one is kindness, then preparation, boyhood, scholarship, meant, excitement, importance, and then T is depth, and then TUA, ability. Okay, all are abstract noun. So what is the technique? Have you got the technique? Generally, abstract nouns are formed with some suffixes. So you have to keep it in your memory. Nest, shun, hood, sheep, meant, see, TAs, and TUI. Okay, and so on. Now, it's a fair work, so you have to do these duties in pairs. Okay? Identify the concrete and abstract nouns of the bold italic words from the passage below. So you can see a passage here, and there are some words in italic forms. So you have to identify these in pairs. Okay, you can easily discuss it with your partner. Look at the passage. Mother is the most blessing of Allah. Her love is divine. The kindness of mother is incomparable. She always takes care of her children. She provides her child with good foods, beautiful dresses. If her child falls in any danger, she stays in anxiety. A mother does her best for the betterment of her children. She always gives inspiration to her children to succeed in life. So we should take care of her cordially. So look at the word mother, next blessing, Allah, love, kindness, care, children, foods, dresses, child, danger, anxiety, betterment, inspiration. All are nouns, but you have to differentiate between these nouns, okay? Which one are concrete noun and which one are abstract noun? You have to decide. You can discuss it with your partner, okay? So please do it. Dear learners, my dear learners, please discuss it with your partner and decide which kind of noun is it. Okay, have you done it? Yes? Okay, now proceed on. So, please answer the following questions. Can you answer these questions? What is concrete noun? Yes, I think you can. You have got the definition from the discussion, the previous discussion. You have got this, the definition of concrete noun. What is the main characteristic of concrete noun? Can you say? What is the main characteristic of concrete noun? What do you mean by abstract? Okay. And how is abstract noun normally formed? Yeah, you can gauge it. I have shown it. I have showed it to you with some suffixes. That means adding some suffixes with the main word, you can form abstract noun. And how can you recognize abstract noun? So these are the questions. So I think you can easily answer. Now I will give you a homework for you. Please, you everybody will do it. Okay. Please don't miss it. Try to do it at your home, and I think you can easily do it. Okay. You have to write down at least 5 examples or names of concrete and abstract nouns from your surrounding environment. It's very easy, I think. You everybody can do it easily. You have to write at least 5 examples or names of concrete and abstract nouns. Okay? Okay. Well, so verse universal. It is very easy to defeat a man with strength, but it is very difficult to control your emotions. It is very easy to defeat a man with strength, but it's very difficult to control your emotions. It's a universal verse. Okay. So, dear learners, you can see some blooming roses. So, may your lives bloom like blooming roses. May your lives bloom like blooming roses. So, and that's